Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today I got some more functionality I want to show you. They have just released the ability to connect to Git and submit pull requests. Now, for those of you that don't know, ChatLLM is the one place where you can access O1 Mini, Sonnet 3.5, Abacus Dracaris, which is a fantastic open source model, and Haiku. And these are the best models for coding, at least as it stands right now, guys. It is all available. It's end to end, and I'm going to show you how. Let's go.
All right, so step one is an easy one. Just head over to abacus.ai, link, of course, in the description below, and then click on ChatLLM Teams. When you do that, you get a new screen here, and presto, you can sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. Keep in mind that while I got you here, that this is only $10 per user per month. It's half the price of a ChatGPT license, and you get like 100 times more. It's absolutely wild. So there you go. We're going to click on sign in. Now, let's get cooking.
All right, once you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this. The first thing I like to do is I'm going to go up here to the top, click the down triangle, and then for this demonstration, we're going to use Claude Sonnet 3.5, but do keep in mind that you have access to all of these other large language models, including O1 Preview, O1 Mini. All the big ones are in here. Let's use Sonnet 3.5 though for this one. Let's click on that, select it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little tab up here at the top left. And when you do that, you'll see here that we've got this sidebar opened up. But what we're looking for is down on the left side here. The bottom left, you'll see GitHub Connect. Click on that. And now we're going to basically connect our GitHub. Very simple. Let's go ahead and just add in our username here. So I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to use my thumbnail to prove that I am who I say I am. And presto, we've connected Git. It is that simple. Now let's select a repository and go a little deeper. All right, here we go. So we've gone ahead and connected our Git repository. So here we go. I'm just going to click on that again here in the tools. And then presto, you'll see here I can select one of these two repositories. I've got Llama 3.1 Nematron, so that's the new open source fine tune that I took it off of Hugging Face, I believe. So let's just click on that here as an example. And then presto, it says we can add files. Perfect. Okay, so let's select a couple here. I'm going to select the first one, a README. I'm going to select the config.json, and then maybe this special tokens map.json. Let's just have some fun here. I'm going to add them. So once you do that, just click on the add button. You'll see here it takes a few seconds for them to upload and add them, and they should indicate that they're added here. Okay, yes, they're done here. Now watch this. I'm just going to say, hey, describe the files. Something simple like that. Watch this here. You'll see the files are up here in the left. You'll see that they're added, and then presto, we've gone ahead and asked for the description, and then when I read it back, I'll describe each of the three files from the GitHub repository. Curtis Pike Llama 3.1. Perfect. First one is a readme.md, and then it gives us an overview of it. Fantastic. The second one's config.json, also correct. And then special tokens. Yes, beginning of text token. Perfect. So we got exactly what we asked for, guys, but we can go a little further. Let's go. All right, so there we go. We got some basic description of these files, but if we're not sure what to do next, maybe we want to figure out how to implement this, for example. You can keep going, how to implement. You could just basically query, and because it's connected to GitHub, it will go ahead and take a look at the files, and then it'll give you a great response. Look at this already. I'll explain how to implement the Llama 3.1 Nematron 70B instruct model. Perfect. Here's the prerequisites. It gives you the code for implementation. Look at this here. It gives you all the details that you need. Fantastic stuff. All right, so we've taken a look at, not only describing the files, how to implement them, but now we want to make some changes to them. Now we really want to push it. So here we go. The next thing I want to do is let's go add Docstrings to, let's go to config.json. So we're just going to basically add to the file. So watch this. It's going to go ahead and look at this here, and it's actually going to complete this, and then we're going to get a pull request submission when it's done. It's cooking it up right now. I'll come back when it's done, show you what we got. All right, that only took a few seconds here, and then not only has it done what we asked it to do, look at this here. Create pull request. That's what we want. So let's click on that here, and then it asks us to enter the new branch name. So let's create a new branch. So I'm going to call this, I don't know, I'm going to call it add_docstrings because, and I'm pretty original like that. So here we go. We're going to click on create pull request. Watch this. It's going to create the pull request. It'll take just a few seconds. I'll come back when it's done, show you how it worked, and then we'll wrap this all up. All right, welcome back. So we added docstrings to config.json, and again, it gives us the code and the instruction. Then at the end of it, you'll see pull request add documentation comments to config.json successfully created. So it is fully connected. This is just another feature that ChatLLM Teams has come out with. The people at Abacus AI are releasing content every week. It's amazing. Links in the description below. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.